have connected the device with using my Mirka app, an application where you can follow the speed of the tool in RPMs and also the vibrations exposed during usage. So if I start the tool, you can follow here on the screen. We have the speed and the vibrations.
Allora, se vai sull'industria ti chiede vibrazione, questa è l'unica macchina con Bluetooth.
So if you follow the screen, you can see I had the tool on 8,000 RPMs, and I was on the green, say on the display on the green, which means that I'm on the safe side, not exposing so much vibrations to myself. If I push the tool hard, you can see that the needle shows to the red part of the display. This is the tool, and also I'm doing a wrong sanding, and I'm destroying the surface when I'm sanding, and also the abrasive itself. So it is of course the first thing with this one is that it shows how much vibration I'm exposed to during sanding, but also it gives an indication on how I'm using the tool while doing the sanding operation. So while I'm on the green side, I'm using the tool correctly, but if I go on the red side, yellow-red side, then it's also telling that I'm doing something wrong. It will also tell that the bearings needs to be changed, or that something else is wrong with the machine. So it has different features with this application. These two, the RPM display and the vibration display is available from the Mirka app, my Mirka, through the App Store and Google Play, and free of charge. And for $4.90 you can also get the daily exposure of vibrations during a time period of 1 month or several months.